Alright, so here is the platform I'll be using to be Teams, and here is the online assignment, online teaching course with the requested tabs. The welcome message is located here, and there'll be a document accompanying that with the welcome message that students will have access to. That will be the welcome message, PDF format. There'll be a hyperlink here. Students will be able to have a video with an interactive welcome message. The netiquette policy is also located here. Students will be able to get the netiquette policy, and that will be displayed in a PDF. Instructor information, fair use, and copyright policy will be here in the Word document. Students will have access to it here. And the communication policy.